Hello everyone, my name is Jojo. Welcome to my channel Joyroute-jojo. In today's video, we are going to learn how to export emails in a PST format from Microsoft 365 Admin Portal. We all may be aware how to take PST backup from Outlook application of our own mailboxes. But in this video, we are going to learn how to take backup of someone else's mailbox from Admin Portal before doing some activity or some security purpose or some auditing purpose. We may have to take backup of someone else's mailbox as an administrator. So let us learn how to do that. So before doing that, we should know what are the prerequisites to do this activity. First thing, you should have enough permission. You should have eDiscovery manager role, eDiscovery administrator role from the compliance admin center, and you should have compliance administrator access. And the second thing, browser. Use Microsoft Edge to download PST file. If you are using Google Chrome, you will not be able to complete the activity. You should use Microsoft Edge to take the PST backup. And the last thing, admin access. You need to have global administrator. There is a misunderstanding of many of us that if you have global administrator access, you can do all the activity in Microsoft 365. But it's a wrong concept. You will not be able to do all the activity if you are having global administrator. If you want to do take PST file or want to search for some email from the compliance administrator, you should have compliance administrator, eDiscovery management role, and exchange admin role. So specifically, some administrator role is required to do some specific activity. It's a misunderstanding for many of us. If you are having global administrator, you can do all the activity. I just thought to mention that here before we proceed. Anyway, let's practically see how we can enable or how we can take PST backup of someone else email box. We have to log into admin.microsoft.com, the Microsoft 365 admin center. From there, admin center, you can have to click on compliance admin center. So we are in the compliance admin center here. So as we discussed, we have to give permission to do this activity. Get the permission in the Microsoft compliance administrator, compliance.microsoft.com. If you come down roles and scope, you could find permissions. Under permissions, you have to give discovery admin manager. Click on discovery manager, click on edit, and here you have to choose the users. You have to choose the particular user whom you want to allocate the license. So I have selected myself. Next, and now we have to manage eDiscovery administrator. After manage eDiscovery manager, you have to manage eDiscovery administrator role also should be given. Again, I have to select the user. Select the user, select it, next, save. So it may take some time. Yeah, you are successfully updated the role group. Done. Now to take the PST backup, what you have to do, you have to come and then search. After giving the permissions, you have to come here and content search, create a new search, give a name, Abhi's mailbox backup. Description also I give the same thing here. Click next. So what search you have to do? We are going to make a search of exchange mailbox. So turn it on. All users, no, we are going to take specific user, which is Abir. First one, I select the first user, click done, click next. If you want to do some conditions, you can do it here. Here in my case, there is no conditions are required here. So I click on next, submit. So it may take some time. So it may take some time to create some search. Done. So the search has been just started now. It is in the started position. Abir mailbox backup just started. Let me just refresh. So it may take some time to get completed. So I just pause it for the time being and we'll come back. Not take much time. Within 2 minutes, search has completed for Abir Mailbox. It is completed right now. So click on that, and here under actions, you have to export result. So click on export result. So you have some output options. All item excluding one that have unrecognized format are encrypted or were not indexed for other reasons. There are three options. You can read it and select it. I'm keeping it by default. One PST file for each mailbox and exporting it. So it is just exporting right now. A job has been created successfully. Click on OK. So if you go on export, you could see the job created. Now click on this, download the PST file. This will get enabled in the backend. Some scheduling is going on. So wait. Now it is ready to download the PST file. Just download the result. Meanwhile, you copy the export key. You'll have to copy it. Click on open here. So an application requirement, some connectivity, launching some application. Yeah. Here is the export key. Export key you will get from here. Copy it and paste it here, and show the location where you want to download it. I just want to download to the desktop. PST backup. I'm just downloading it. Click on start. So the downloading of the PST file is going on. It may take some time. Let's monitor it. It is in progress. It may take some more time to download it completely. We completed the download. Now the backup file is available in the desktop. So let us see the backup file, backup PST file. For that, let's go to desktop, PST backup, your mailbox. So here you could see the exchange. Yeah, this is the backup file. In this video, I hope I have explained how you can take backup of PST backup of someone else's mailbox from the 365 admin center, from the compliance portal, from the compliance portal. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please mark it in the comment section. And I have a request to you all to please subscribe this channel and support me. We will meet you in the other video. Till then, goodbye.